Hi, and welcome to 257 Cambridge Drive, Mount Clemens, Michigan. This is a rare find, a newer construction home located in the heart of Seminole Hills on a beautiful tree-lined street. Walking distance to McLaren-Macomb Hospital and easy access to downtown Mount Clemens, where you can enjoy free concerts, great dining, just have a lot of fun. Now, let's go inside and check this great home out. Notice the new hardwood flooring. This is that rake style. It really gives it a sense of elegance. The gas fireplace. On both sides are large windows looking out into the backyard, giving you really nice views. And wait till you see this backyard. It's huge, and boy, did the seller take great advantage of that size. Now this dining room, very conveniently located, lots of cabinets in the kitchen. Matter of fact, the seller is willing to give you that dining room set. She's not taking it with her, but look at all those cabinets. Lots of storage, granite countertops, a true gourmet kitchen. So if you like to entertain, this might be the place for you. This home does feature a first floor laundry, a full basement. It's unfinished, but we'll take a look at it here in a moment. Beautiful two-story foyer. Now, let's check out the master bedroom. This is a full suite, so you have a full master bath attached to it. Two large closets. One of the things the seller said about this property that she's really going to miss is all of the storage. Me personally, I love the dual sinks. You have the stand-up shower to the right. And for those days you just want a little soak, no problem, we got you covered with this jetted tub. The second and third bedrooms are good size, with another full bath upstairs. There is a half bath on the main floor. Now, one of the bonuses, we do have a newer furnace system. Now here's that backyard. The pergola with a patio back there, the beautiful gardens, you can't miss out. Then a large deck for entertaining. This really is a fantastic place. It has a newer 30-year dimensional roof on it to protect your investment. So don't miss out. Check this property out as soon as you can. Have a great day. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this video, but if you're serious about buying a home, and you want to go from being an average buyer to a super buyer, then don't miss our upcoming home buying seminar. Click the registration link below. I hope to see you there. We're going to have some fun and learn a lot.